Hello, I'm Dominic Hunt, a PD at Cornell, and I'd like to take you through a brief example of what you can do with the Level 4 Data Apprenticeship. Let's say you have monthly records for the referrals to your service. Here we have simulated data from 2012 to 2019. We want to forecast our referrals for the next year so we can prepare for likely high and low periods. To do so, we need to combine all the data, explore it, and build a time series model. In this case, we'll do all this in Python. So let's start the analysis. To speed up this demo, I'm going to use code I prepared earlier. Once we've loaded up the tools and told Python where our simulated data is, let's look at one of the monthly files. Here we have the February 2012 referrals, and we can see that each row contains the details for one referral. Each monthly file has the same structure, so we can load them all and merge them into one dataset. We're interested in the numbers of referrals per month, so we're going to resample the data into a count per referrals per month. So here they are, shown as those reported by the end of the month. Now, really, I prefer to see this visually. Now, to help us, I've added in a moving average, giving us an idea of the trend over the 12-month period. We can see that we have a steady linear rise from 2012 to 2018, and then it flattens out. For our forecast over the next 12 months to be useful, there needs to be a regular pattern to each month's variation. This means the same months across different years are going to be highly correlated. We can look at this correlation by comparing on a scatter plot each month's referrals with those in the same month of the following year. To help us, I've also put the strength of the correlation in the plot's title. An 85% correlation is really quite strong, so we can be confident we can have a go at predicting next year's referrals from this simulated data. So now that we know that we can build a forecast, let's actually build it. We're going to do this using an ARIMA model. Finding the best parameter values takes a bit of time, but here we have the end result. So in gray, we have the original data, and in blue, the model predictions for the coming year. All that we're really interested in is the forecast. So let's take this final line and look at it a bit more closely. Our forecast shows that we can expect 60 to 100 fewer referrals in the months of February, April, August, and December. We might want to follow this up by building similar models for different referral sources, and then potentially combining them together. I hope that this has given you an idea of what you'll be able to do with the DA4. Thank you for listening.